you can see, this is module 1, this is module 2, and we have a package. Now, what is a package? How we can build here a package? Just simple. We come here and we build a new folder. So I build a new folder. So let's say optional. Okay. Package. So this is optional package. Okay. So I put it outside. Okay, this is the optional package. Now I can write inside the optional package a module, which is a new file. And let's say this is module 1, yeah, .py. And inside here, I can say A equal, this is a list, 7, and so on. 8. So this is serve as a module. I can put here class person and start coding. If I write pass, so pass in Python, when I just want to draw attention to some class without any implementation, just to. So this is the way I build a package, and within the package, I can put my modules. Now let me come back here. I have a main package, as you can see, with one module, the first module. So let us be specific here. Then we will cover the, we'll be covering the whole. Now this module, we have a range, and this class, I think we have seen before this class. So it has its own init and this and all the method. Okay, and we have also another method. It's a function with no self, external function of the range, which took a range and a value and moved that range with that value. So let's say we have A and B in some axes, okay, domain, and then we can move it, okay, by value. So this is the first module. Now, if you ask me why I gave this example, this is the reality. Most of the time, you can write, okay, the class here inside a module, okay. Now you can write a function sometimes that will be external of that class, and you can write it. Within this class. Now, what is the name you can give it here? You can give it a name like range utility or range unit, any name. But if all of what you are interested with, please look at this. If all what you are interested with is just the class range, so please call it range. Call it range. So it will be range.py, okay? And all its, okay, all the code here is belong to just one simple class. But if you, okay, see a usage for a particular function that is external of a class or any other values, okay, here, okay, so you can write them here, but avoid that. Avoid to do that here. There is certain places that you can use them later. Now, the second module is a point, which we have also seen before, with a property class called count, and with a static method and a private method, as you can see, okay? And I have also a circle. Here I have a point and a circle, as you can see here. So now I can ask, is is this design is a good design that I have a module with a point, with a circle, and a main method? This is a bad design. So what I need to do here is just to take out all of this and not to use them, just to have one point, just to have one data type, not two. There is no any benefits from using point and circle. So let me call it, let me save it even, okay? Now, let's continue in our document. So we can actually use, okay, you are allowed to use any one of them, but this is the golden rule, what we call it. So let's say, okay, there is an opportunity. Maybe I made a mistake here. Let me see. Maybe I implement here. Yeah, main package module 1. Where I put them? Main package, optional package. Sorry, just one moment. I want to be sure. I think that I used, no, that wasn't here. Just a minute, yeah? Okay, so let's start. So let's say that I have a module 1, okay? And inside that module 1, I have a dictionary with the following, yeah, with the following values. And also I can, within this module, yeah, when I imported it, I want to execute the following commands. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Why not? It is possible. Let us say this is a server and I want to communicate with that. You can use that, but you still the same context, the same logic. You can't put here server and point. One logic thing. Now, what is happening here? Okay, so if I take that and if I came here, module 1, where is module 1 here? Outside, I am looking here. Yeah, this is the class that I was looking for. So let me demonstrate this here. So this is the class, yeah? Now, there is here, as you can see here, there is a module here without a package, yeah? So now if I want to use them, I can say import module, okay? And when the module is imported, all its values, contents, will be loaded to that table symbols. So we will have server, and we will have message, and we will have address. So to do that, let me demonstrate that here. So let us say that I imported the module 1 the first time, and let me run it. Oops.
May I ask a short question?
Yeah, sure.
So how come the main package has init.py and the optional does not? Is it?
Yeah, I will reach that just a moment. Yeah, as you can see here, just a moment. This is the last point that I will explain. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. This is this is the steps that I start with. Okay. So let's say, for example, that this is the module. Okay. Now, be aware of that. Then I run it. what you see here